In real time also we will do same thing. Okay, no need to worry about all these things. But the thing is that in real time, they just ask for the customization as well as the standard one. If they go for the standard one, there is no issue. If they go for the customized one, so they will have issue. Okay, I mean issue means they have to uh, have customized things. Okay, so based on that thing only you need to give it. Okay, now we will do the SD configurations, all of you. So we need to insert new condition type, that is MWST. Okay, in SD pricing processor using transaction code V/08. Okay, that's it, right? So for that thing, what we need to do is, ma'am, go for the standard pricing processor, ma'am. RVAA01. Okay, so we have copied all these things, right, all of you. So if that particular thing is deleted, then we need to assign separate things. Yeah, select it to go to the processor control data. Yeah, so MWST, see the condition type, ma'am, here. MWST. Here, see all of you. So MWST is for the output tax. Okay. And at the same time, required pricing procedures are all condition types and accounting key is MWS. So then what we need to do is now go for our own customized things. So this one is not deleted in the standard one. Okay, so come back, ma'am, one step back and go for our processor. So our processor is that, right? MAPP. Select this one and go to the processor or control. No. Come back. One step back. So we have these procedures, right? And then what we need to do is we do have the net value. Net value 2 it is taking, right? Okay. So we have the total that is 920. Then what we need to do is what we need to do. You do one thing, ma'am. Delete this 900. No, 900. Go to the delete option. Go to the delete option and save the details. Now what we need to do is, all of you, now for the 920 step, okay, you have total, right? So for the 920 step, you can just change the description, ma'am. Net price after discount. Net price after discount. See, I'm just giving you the things. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So here we will insert one more row, all of you. Okay, so go to the new entries, ma'am. Go to the new entries and here give the step 930. Give that step as 930 and the condition type is MWST and the description is output tax. MWST and description is output tax. Output tax. And the base type is you have the base type. Where can we have this base type? After the drag it to the right side, ma'am. Here you need to have the base step alternative condition. You have the alternative condition, right? Base value. Yes, alternative condition base value. Take out that one, ma'am. Go to the drop down option. Come down. So you have the base step value. Come down. Take out this net value plus work days things and all. That is 16. Go to the continue option. And in the accounting key, you can just give what is the accounting key? MWS, right? Yes, just give MWS. And you need to cross check with your conditions, things and all of you. Okay, so that is very, very important. So go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Okay, right. So come back one step back. One step back. So you have all these condition types, right? Then what we need to do is go to the new entries, ma'am. Go to the new entries. I will show you one thing. Step is 940. Step is 9. See, all these things are customized ones, all of you. And you 940, not the 930. So 920, 930 is over, right? 940 is the step. So no need to give any conditions. Okay, we are not going to give any condition types and all. Okay, so this is for the total. So give the description as total price is equal to net plus tax. Total price is equal to total price is equal to total price is equal to net plus tax. NET net plus tax. Plus tax. Okay, all of you. So from account is 920 to account is 930. That's it, right? From is 920 and 2 is 930. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. That's it. So all of you are getting my point, right? So we are doing the customization and this will be done by SD consultant only. So if you are in an architect position and you have to do it. Okay, so basically I got each and every information from the SD consultant and all. Based on that, I will give them the tax classifications. Okay, that is the most important thing. So what we need to do is all of you will take the screenshot for this thing. Okay, so do the same things, or else if you have any customizations things and all, you can able to do it. Okay. Okay, right. What we need to do is the next step. What is the next step? So assign GL new condition type using transaction code OB40 that we have done for the output taxes and all. Okay, that is good. And the next one is after assigning of all these things. Here we need to do the tax classification for customer as well as the material. What we need to do is go to the BP transaction code, ma'am, and take out your customer. Go to the BP transaction code and take out your customer. BP transaction code and take out your customer. What is your customer number? Have you remember? Or go to the drop down option. Okay. Yeah, BMW. Go to the start and double click on it. And now what is the thing that we have taken FLCU01, right? FLCU01, that is FI customer bits. FI customer. What is the sales and distribution data that we have taken, ma'am? FLCU01. Come down. FI customer, yes, take out that one. Now go to the sales and distribution data, ma'am. Yes. And here, I think so. In the billing documents, you can able to find out. Yes, in the billing tab. Come down. What is the orders? Go to the orders, ma'am. What is the error it is saying? A required field customer pricing group has no entry. Yeah. Okay, take out this price group. Come down. Take out this price group. Yeah. Why it is asking for the price group? Take out the occasional buyer, ma'am. No issue. Go to the billing. Go to the billing. Come down. Down. Drag it to the downside. So we do have the tax classification here. What is the tax data? Come down. Drag it to the downside. Down. 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 Yes, in the tax classification, take out the go to the drop down option, ma'am. It is liable for taxes. It is liable for taxes. And go to the save button. Go to the save button. Sales district has no entries. Okay, take out the sales district. What is the northern region? So we are from southern region, right? So take out the southern region. Yeah. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, good. So then next, what is the next step? Go to the transaction code MM02, ma'am. Have you remember your material? Go to the transaction code MM02. Go to the transaction code MM02. Go to the FICO SD integration. Come down. Come down. FID SD integration. 100. Yeah, take out this material. 100, 1000, 211. Go to the SAP system. Yes, give it. Yeah, click on the enter. No issue. No need to have any change number. Click on the enter directly. This is the changing of the material data, right? And take out the sales organization data tab 1, ma'am. That's it. Go to the continue option. I think so. In the tax classification, I mean tax data will be there in the sales organization data 1 only, right? So give the sales organization and give the distribution channel. And give the distribution channel. Yeah, go to the continue option. Come down, ma'am. Here in the tax data. Yes, here in the tax data. Take out the tax data. Take out the full tax. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, so this material has been modified, all of you, when it comes to the material things and all. And you need to be very much clear. Okay, why? Because for customer, for sales data, for material sales data, they need to change it. Okay, what is our duty? So the duty is that we need to assign the tax categories. Okay, so that is very important. And when it comes to the next configuration, and we need to create the SD condition for this tax record. Okay, so go to the transaction code VK11, ma'am. Yesterday we have maintained that price, right? Yesterday we have maintained the PR00 price also, right? Yeah. In that, what you need to do is give MWST. MWST. Click on the enter. Domestic taxes. Take out the domestic taxes and go to the continue. Yeah. Departure or country region is IN, ma'am. Departure or country region is IN. Departure or country region is IN. So all of you, tax classification for the customer, tax classification for the material should be same. Okay, so you have entered it, right? So go to the drop down option, just give 1. Or else you do one thing, remove it. Remove it, I will show you one thing. What is the tax category that it has to? You do one thing, ma'am, just give 1. And in the tax material, just give, no, ma'am, remove it. When it comes to the tax procedures, okay, you no need to give anything. I mean, if you go for the drop down option, system will take out that procedure things. Okay, so what you need to do is just directly give your things, whatever the tax classification that you have entered in the BP master record, and whatever the tax classification thing that you have entered in the material master records. Okay, you need to enter it. Just 1, give 1 for the tax categories materials. Sorry, customers 1 and tax materials is 1. Just give 1. And after that 1. So here, when it comes to the tax code, okay, drag after valid 2, you have tax code and just give AS. And just give AS. Okay, click on the enter, ma'am. Automatically you will going to get the things. See, 4% is the thing. You are getting right, all of you. So go to the save button and save it. That's it. So we are making one condition record. Okay, this condition record should be saved, all of you. So then only it will be reflected in your particular what we need to say in your sales order. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. So please make sure, okay, SD condition record should be created for the sales price as well, all of you. Okay, now what we need to do is once again check with OBBZ, ma'am, and we will go for the testing. Once again check with OBBZ. And go to the position and give your country IN. And MASTP is your pricing procedure. Okay, save the details, come back. And now what we need to do is we will go for the testing, all of you. Okay. Yes, and go to the VA01, ma'am, sales order. And I think so. We have to enter VKOA transaction also, ma'am. What you need to do is remove this thing and give the go to the transaction code VKOA. Yeah, so it is asking every time it is asking for the go to the customer or material accounting key. Accounting key is ERS and accounting key is MWS only, right? Maybe tax is not related. What we need to do is, ma'am, we will do it. Okay. If it throws any error, okay, we will going to do it. There is no issue. Okay. Okay, good. Remove it. Give /n. Give /n. No worries. Give /n. Go to the transaction code VA0. No. Please check with the please check with the material stock, ma'am. MMBE. Have we posted any material stock? There is no stock, ma'am. So it will going to give you the error. So what you need to do is go to the transaction code ME21N and just post some stocks. Like 10 stocks like this, post it and give your supplier. See all of you, if the stock is not available, definitely it will not going to give it. Okay, click on the enter ma'am and give the purchase organization, purchasing group and the company code. Yeah, and give the item. Any item. No. Remove it. Give the item 26th item. Anything random. So don't go for the any 10, 12. Okay, whatever the things that you have given. Give the short text. Any short text. PO quantity. Yes. 10 and the delivery date 22.03.2023. Sorry, 2024. 22. Net price. What is the net price? 20,000. Give it anything. Net price 20,000. Yes. Drag it to the right side. Take out the material group. Take out the material group. Yeah. 01. 01 is the material group, right? Yes. MEAL2 and storage location. Click on the enter. Yes. Enter. No issue. And go to the save button and save it. That's it. Yes. Delivery can be origin. Click on the enter. Yes. Yes. Click on the enter. Remove the net price, ma'am. Just give 20,000 rupees. That's it. Click on the enter. Right. Now go to the check option. No messages during check and go to the save button and save it. That's it. All right. So take out this P1 number 4500000492. Okay. Go to the Migo, ma'am. Go to the Migo. Right. Go to the Migo. Go to the Migo. Yes. And just give the purchase order. 492. Yes. Take out 492. Go to the execute option, ma'am. Give the delivery note. Click on the enter. Or else execute. The input fields contains prohibited characters. I think so. Purchase order, they have the prohibited characters, ma'am. Okay. So go to the execute option. Execute option. Okay, right. Now come down and take out the quantity as 10 and PC. Quantity as 10 and PC. Yes. And go to the item. Okay. Click on the enter and check it. If it is okay, post it. MEAL2 doesn't exist. Why? Go to this. Go to the long text. Table has not been maintained correctly. Please confirm your system administrator. Okay, M7001. What is this thing again? Go to the transaction code OBF4, ma'am. OBF4. Go to this document type WE. Go to this document type WE. Double click on it. Check with reference number marked, ma'am. Select a reference number. Select a reference number. Come down, required document entry and go to the save button and save it. No. Go remove the mark this reference number and go to the save button. Go to the save button and save it. Remove this. No. Remove this. Save this. Yeah. Come back and check with the RE document type. Check with the RE document type. This is also not checked. Okay. Go to the PR. PR. Go to the PR. PR. Why it is showing then? Go to the number range information, ma'am. Go to the number range information. Give your company code. Go to the intervals. Ma'am, maintain 27 number range. Maintain 27 number range. Go to the insert option. 27 2023. And what is the last number? 29,001 to 32,000. 29,001 to 32,000. Save the details. Come back. One step back. One step back. So under this account type allows, we need to activate this material as well as the GL. Yeah, that's it. Fine. Okay. You got the same error, ma'am. Okay. And now check with Migo, ma'am. Check with Migo. If it is not clear, plan parameters, huh? Okay. Go to the Migo. Now check with this thing. Yeah, give the purchase order. Go to the execute option. Now give the delivery in quantity 10 and the PC. Now click on item OK. Click on item OK and go to the check option. And go to transaction code OMCQ, ma'am. Remove it. Go to transaction code OMCQ. Go to transaction code OMCQ. Come down, ma'am. Materials are same, right? Plan date, physical entry, check combination of moment type and stock type and entity missing component. Come down. All these things are in error message. Why? Go to the transaction code MM60. Go to the transaction code MM60. Go to transaction code MM60. Continue option. Material type is Hava. Pricing group is MGB. Purchasing group is. Material group is 01. And price is 20,000. That's it, right? Go to the transaction code OBF4 once again and check with the inventory document, WI, so that we will going to get a clarity, right? OBF4 WI. Inventory document. You don't have any reference and you have material, right? Ma'am, what is the plant parameters that you have got the error, ma'am? Where you
Sir,
have changed it?
by path వెళ్ళాను సార్ పారామీటర్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేశాను అవర్ ఓల్డ్ క్లాస్ వీడియోలో ఉంది సార్ అది.
Okay. And type the path, ma'am. Type the path in the Skype chat. Meanwhile, go to the transaction code OBA7, ma'am. See. Take out the WI inventory. Double click on it. 49. Go to the number range information. Give the company code. Continue. And yeah, 49 is there. Then what is the? Ma'am, go to transaction code OMRV. Go to transaction, go to OMRV and go to the position and give your company code. Set automatic changes. Okay. And we have maintained the GRIR clearing account, right? Go to the SPRO reference IMG. Go to the SPRO reference IMG. SPRO reference IMG. Material management. Material management. Material management and material management and inventory management. Material management and inventory management and physical inventory. Go to the plan parameters. Go to the plan parameters. Go up. First one. Give your plant. You don't have any plant parameters, huh? Ma'am, what you have taken, ma'am? Standard one. What is the standard one that you have taken? Go to the new entries and maintain plan parameters. You should copyright, ma'am. Okay. That's it, huh? Go to the okay. Double click on any plan parameters, ma'am. Double click on any plan parameters. See, when you double click on it, you should get create storage location automatically like this, right? You do one thing, come back. Do one thing, come back. Go up. Sorry, go to the position and just give MA L2. Select this one and delete it. Select this one and delete it and save the details. Save the details. Maybe some persons has created the okay. Copy 0001. That's what I'm asking. Go to the copy option. Go to the copy option and just remove the plant and just give your plant MEL2. Maybe that is the reason. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. That's it. Save the details. Okay, now give /n and go back to the transaction code Migo. Go back to the transaction code Migo. Give your purchase order. Give /n, ma'am. Give slash n here. Go back to the Migo goods receipt. Migo. Yes, give the purchase order and execute it. Take out the quantity in delivery note. And PC is the price commodity. And item OK. Click on the enter. Item OK. Click on the enter. Check it. Now document is OK and go to the post option. Okay, good. So good try, ma'am. Mamata ma'am. Yeah. So plant parameters have been deleted. So we have maintained the plant parameters and those plant parameters have been deleted by someone. So that's why you are getting the error. OK. So yeah, go to the Miro and just post the document. That's it. Go to the Miro. Go to the Miro. And again, if the plant parameters is maintained effectively, and if you are not getting the things, okay, then what we need to do is we need to maintain the number range information for the inventory document. I mean, if it is not there. Okay, so for our side, that is completely related to the material. Okay, so give the purchase order. What is the purchase order? 44500 00492. Yes. Yeah, click on the enter, ma'am. No issue. I enter the amount, that is 2 lakh. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Tax code M1 in procedure. What you need to do is go to the tax codes. OBBC. Go to the position and maintain the tax code first. Remove the thing. And again, we will come back to this procedure and we will do it. See why? Because all of you, we maintain all these things with the one thing. Okay, so don't worry. Or else you do one thing, ma'am. Yeah, come back to the Miro, no issue. Come back to the Miro. Give slash n. Once again, go back to the transaction code Miro. For stock availability posting only, we are doing all of you. See, if we don't take the tax, no need to worry, no need to take any taxes and all. Just give it with only purchase orders. Yeah, click on the enter and just give that 2 lakh rupee. Click on the enter. No issue. M1 in tax procedure is invalid. Okay, you do one thing. No. Go to the FTXP transaction code, maintain M1. That's it for your country. FTXP transaction code. See, we have taken different tax procedure only, right? So that's why it is giving you the error. Why, ma'am? M1 tax is not maintained, huh? You're getting only this thing. Okay, what you need to do is remove it. Go to the transaction code. You do one thing. You can able to deselect the Miro, right? Yeah. So, but the thing is, yeah, go to the Miro, ma'am. Why it is asking? First of all, go to the Miro. Go to the tax tab. Click on the enter. Why it is asking for the tax code? Remove this tax code, ma'am, here. Yeah. Click on the enter. No issue. and go to the 2 lakh. No issue, no issue. It is asking for the tax code. Go to the tax code. Go to the tax code and assign the 4% input tax. Yes, assign the 4% input tax, and in the OBBC you need to change it, ma'am. Go to the OBBC. Yes, go to the OBBC. Okay, right. Yeah, that's it. Save the details and come back to the Miro. Take out this MS. MS for the input tax, huh? Okay, right. Click on the enter, ma'am. No issue. Yes, click on the enter. And give the amount as 2 lakh, and in the calculate tax, take out the MS also. That's it. Calculate tax. And total is 2 lakh. Yeah, 2 lakh 8,000 rupees. Click on the enter, ma'am. Go to the messages. Go to it is giving the message. Enter business place, ma'am. Remember it. Enter business place. Hyderabad. Now click on the enter. Now there is no any messages. Go to the simulate option. Okay, so input tax it is calculating all of you. Go to the post option. Go to the post option. Yes. Post option. Yeah. Or else come back and go to the save button. That's it. It is giving messages, ma'am. Take out the message. GL account 1000507. So permit tax code M1. Okay. You do one thing. Go to the transaction code FS00 100507. Go to the current liabilities. Go to the current liabilities. 100507 GRIR. Yeah. Take out the control data and assign the MS tax category. Go to the save button and save it. That's it. No issue. Come back to the Miro. Click on the enter, ma'am. Again, go to the messages, or else go to the Miro once again. See, all of you, every time you will going to face the errors. Okay, first of all. Click on the enter. 2,80,000 rupees. 2,08,000 rupees. Yeah. And go to the messages. Sorry, go to the simulate option. Yeah. Go to the save button. I mean post button. So this invoice document has been created and it is blocked for payment. Why it is blocked for payment? Yeah, this one, all of you, yesterday we have got the error. Okay, no, that is not my error. That is junior consultant error. And he is unable to clear that error and he came back to me. That is totally wrong, right? Okay, right. Go to the execute option. It is blocked for the payment. Double click on this thing. Yeah, and remove the blocked for the payment. Okay, good. So I am giving you the one task, all of you. It is showing the blocked for the payment and we are not raising any parameters and we haven't raised any parameters and still now we are not raising any parameters. But how it is taking the blocked for payment for that particular invoice. Okay. And when it comes to the company code and all, okay, where you can able to change this status, blocked invoice status in an automatic way. For that next invoices, it should not take out the blocked payments. What is the reason for that one? Find out it. Take the time. Okay, give me the solution. It is very, very important. Yesterday only we have cleared it. Yesterday I have sent you the screenshots, right? Error screenshots and all. And okay, right, no issue. And check with MMBE. Check with MMBE. Check with MMBE. Go to the continue option. Now you have the stock availability, that is 10. Now what we need to do is we will going to raise the sales order. Okay, go to the transaction code VA01. Raise the sales order. Order type OR1. Sales office, sales group. Click on the enter. Now give the sold to party and ship to party. Click on the enter and give the delivering plant. Click the enter. 0001. Okay, give the delivering plant. Yeah, click on the enter. Click on the enter. Enter it. We need to get the sold to party details and ship to party details. Enter. Click on the enter. You're entering now, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Why you are not getting the sold to party and ship to party? Enter. What is your customer? Same, huh? Why you are not getting the details? Enter. Enter the customer payment terms 0001. Enter. Okay, right. Now you are getting right. Now what we need to do is go to the item overview. Go to the item overview and give the material now. And order quantity. Order quantity is 1. That is your choice. 2 or 1. Okay. Order quantity 1. Click on the enter, ma'am. No issue. Click on the enter. Enter. Click on the enter. Okay, right. So go to the sales. Double click on this material. Double click on this material. And so required pricing date and first to change the delivery date, ma'am. 2203. 2203. Click on the enter. Yes, and go to the schedule lines. Go to the schedule lines. And required delivery date is 22.03.2024. Okay, and go to the conditions, ma'am. So here in this condition, you need to get the cash discount and you need to get the sales tax. Okay, so remove the material, ma'am. Sorry, in the 100%, you can just give 2%, ma'am. Yes, click on the enter. Now tax is allowing and at the same time discount is allowing all of you. Okay, you got my point? So this is the way you need to do it, all of you. I mean, if they ask you anything about all these things, you just tell. Okay, 6% we have. MWST, you have entered 6% now, ma'am, 4%. Okay, 6%, got it. Yeah, got it. And what we need to do is go to the save button and save it. Save the sales order. Go to the edit option. Yes. And edit the customer. See, all of you, we are not getting any errors. Why? Because the errors have been cleared. Okay, come back and go to the save button. Yes, document is complete. Open the save button. That's it. Okay, now this standard sales order has been created with the number that is 190. What you need to do is what is the next step, ma'am? That is post goods issue, right? Using transaction code VL01N. No. See, once you do the billing, then item will be decreased, right? I'll go to the transaction code VL01N. Yes. And give the shipping point, ma'am. And change the selection date, that is 22.03.2024. Yeah, click on the enter, no issue. So if you face any error, it will going to take out. Otherwise, it will not going to go to the picking tab, ma'am. In the picking tab, assign the storage location and pick the quantity. Go to the picking tab, picking tab. You have picking tab, right? So in the item overview also you can able to enter it. So here enter the storage location. After plant, you have storage location. Enter your storage location and enter the picked quantity, that is 1. Delivery quantity is 1 and picked quantity is 1. Now click on the enter, go to the post goods issue. Go to the post goods issue. Now material document is created. Okay, outbound delivery document is also created. Okay, you got my point, right, all of you? So if you want to see the details and all, you can able to see it. Now we have seen it very well, right? Now what we need to do is go to the transaction code VF01. Go to the transaction code VF01. That is billing document. Go to the transaction code VF01. When it comes to the item, click on the enter, ma'am. Yeah, click on the enter. This is the document number only, right? Enter, enter, enter. Okay, so this is the document number. So we can able to save it. That is 19,600 rupees. Okay, so go to the save button and save it. Enter, enter. Okay, so this document, no general entry generated. Okay, why it is not generated? Go to the transaction code VF03. Go to the transaction code VF03. Go to the transaction code VF03. VF02, ma'am. VF02. VF02. Directly you can just release the document, release to accounting entry. And click on the enter. Enter. It is giving the error in account determination MCA1 MWS H1. Go to that one, ma. Go to that one. Define the accounts to which the tax posting is to be made with the tax code entered in the taxes on sales or purchases. Okay, you remove it, ma'am. Remove it. Go to the transaction code FS00. I think so. It is having account determination. FS00. Go to the sales. Go to the sales. Control data. Maintain. We have maintained the taxes. Then in the sales discount also we have to maintain it, right? Go to the sales discounts, ma'am. Go to the sales discount. Here administration cost only. Special discount. Yeah, take out that one and go to the edit option and maintain the tax category also here. I think so. This is the AS. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the transaction code VF02. Go to the transaction code VF02. Go to the release document. Click on the enter. Enter. No. Come back. One step back. Yes. Yes. Enter. Enter. Okay, it is asking for the MCA1 MWS H1. Go to the environment, ma'am. Go to the environment. It is having error account determination. Maybe that is for the revenue accounts. Yes. Go to the item. Double click on it, ma'am. GL account is determined. MC even okay. Double click on this 01 555 for the price, ma'am. Account price. Account price. PR00. Open that one. Okay. So open the item. Open the item. Go up. Open that item. GL account is determined. KORS. KORS. Double click on KORS. Account assignment ignored. Okay, that is ignored, right? No issue. Okay, you do one thing. Come back, ma'am. So we are not finding any things and all. Come back and step back. Yes. And click on the enter. Enter. Open this error in account determination, ma'am. T030. Yes. Open this one. Maybe it is related to the taxes and all. MWS H1. Okay, go to the transaction code OB40, ma'am. Go to the transaction code OB40. OB40. And check with the MWS, ma'am. Check with MWS. Double click MWS. Double click on it and continue. We have maintained. Ma'am, check with the OBBC, ma'am. OBBC. Have they changed anything? Okay, you do one thing, ma'am. Go to the transaction code OB40. Double click on MWS. Double click on MWS. Come down. MWS. Continue and select this. Delete first thing, ma'am. A0. Maybe it is taking a zero classification and go to the save button and save it. Give /n. Go to the VF02. Release the document. Click on the enter. Error in account determination. MWS MCA1. Yeah, go to the transaction code VKOMM. I think so. We haven't maintained those things, right? VKOA. Go to the customer group, material group, and accounting key. Go to the position and just maintain the accounts, ma'am. Condition type. Sorry, you remove it. Go to the new entries directly. Go to the new entries and give the V condition type. KYFI. Give backspace. Automatically it will come. Chart of accounts, sales organization, account assignment group for the materials, and accounting key is MWS only, right? All of you. Check with V/08, ma'am. Check with V/08. Take out the new screen. V/08. 08. Go to the position and give the procedure. Give your procedure. Select that one. Go to the procedures and MWS accounting key. Yes, output tax. I think so. We have missed this one. Accounting key is MWS and GL account. As in your GL account, that is output tax GL account. Output tax ST. Go to the save button and save it. And also you need to maintain based on the sales organizations and all. Okay. Double click on 5001 with the help of condition type. Come back. Come back here. Come back here. 501 accounting key with the condition type also. Double click on it. Double click on it and go to the new entries. Give the V condition type, KYFI, chart of accounts, and accounting key. Accounting key is MWS. MWS 0101 and condition type is MWST. 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 Give the sales organization and GL account also. 100509. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n. No issue. Now go to the transaction code VF02. Go to the transaction code VF02. Go to the release document. Click on the enter. Again we are getting a MWST alternative condition type MWS accounting key. Okay, this is fine. That is fine, right? Okay, remove it. Go back to that thing, ma'am. Go back to that. Open this one. Error in account determination T003K. MCA1 MWS H1. Why it is taking H1? So define the accounts to which a tax posting is to be made with the tax code entered in customizing accounts. Go to the maintain entries, ma'am. Go to the maintain entries. Maintain entries. Here. Choose maintain entries. Is there right? No link. In the chart of accounts to be posted to, no accounts are defined for the tax code you used. Why it is taking tax code H1? In our tax code, okay, you do one thing, remove it, ma'am. Remove it. Remove it. And give /n and go to the transaction code FTXP and just give AS. FTXP. Give country. IN. Remove M1. Give AS. Give AS. Click on the enter. Okay, right. Go to the save button and save it. All right. Give /n. Give /n and go back to the VF02 transaction code. Now release the document. Maybe this is the error, or else we will change it. Why it is taking H1? Sorry. What is that one? H1 or M1? H1. Why it is taking H1? Go to the transaction code FTXP. FTXP. Maybe it is related to the condition type also. FTXP, ma'am. Give country IN. Yeah, remove tax code. Just give H1. H1. Click on the enter and give the tax 4% at the rate of output tax. Tax type. Output tax. Continue. Here it is. They have maintained 18%. They have maintained. Maintain 4%, ma'am. Here. It's not related to the maintain 4% here. Maintain 4%.
Yes, sir. This one also. That's here.
No worries. Output tax for output tax maintain 4%. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Now go to the transaction code VF02. Give /n here and once again come back to the VF02. Go to the release document, click on the enter. Enter. Go to the transaction code FTXP only, and why it is taking the okay, click on the enter, ma'am. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Go to the tax accounts, ma'am. Go to the tax accounts. Continue. For MWS, maintain the tax account, ma'am. It is asking for the based on the condition type 100509. Continue. Go to the save button and save it. Okay. Now go to the VF02. Go to the VF02. Give /n here. Go to the release document. Click on the enter. Enter. H1 is not permitted, huh? 200. Go to the GL account, ma'am. FS00 transaction code. Where is the 200? Open the sales group. Double click on it and go to the edit option and go to the control data and give the tax category as H1. Go to the save button and save it. Maybe it is asking for the condition type, all of you. I mean, in your system, it may ask, it may not ask. OK, that's it. Go to the VF02, click on the enter, release the document. Now that error is closed, now we will going to see whether we will going to get any error or not. 400201, take out the 400201 also. Ma'am, no need to save anything after changes. Change the thing and give assign it and save it. That's it. Go to the VF02. Once again, click on the enter. Go to the save button. Enter. Enter. So this document has been saved, all of you. So this has been created. All of you, you are getting the error based on the condition type only. OK, I mean in this system they are getting, in your system you may get or you may not get. OK, so try to enter the H1. Why? Because in sales and distribution configurations they have modified the tax processes. I mean in that they have run somewhat programs. OK, so that's why you are getting this error. You no need to worry about all these things. OK, just assign your tax code. If you are getting the error, just change it. If you are not getting the error, there is not at all issue. OK, so that is the very important thing. OK, and what you need to do is go up, ma'am, go to the billing document and click on display option. Display billing document. Go to the accounting entries. Go to the accounting entries. Go to the accounting overview. So now you are getting the special discount and you are getting the tax. OK. Okay. So this is the way you can able to do it. Now check with FBL 5N. Now check with FBL 5N. Check with FBL 5N. So instead of taking AS, it is taking H1. Don't worry, all of you. So I mean within our MWS only we are giving, but it is taking the tax codes MWS in the AS. OK, for the condition type it is taking H1. OK, so that is completely related to the sales and distribution. You no need to worry about your configuration side. OK, so come back. Yeah, this is the document. And that is 20,776. OK, 19,000 after discount, 19,660 rupees. OK, so based on that 19,600 rupees, you are calculating the tax. That is 4%. And it is getting the things like this. OK, now you can able to clear the document. Go to the transaction code F-28. Go to the transaction code F-28. Give the document a date. So see, all of you, it is taking too much time to clear that error, but you have to clear it. Otherwise, you will not go for the next process, right? Give the account. And the amount. No. Directly you can just give the amount 20,000. How much amount that is? Go to that FBL 5N. 20,776. Huh? OK. And go to the process open items. So yes, go to the save button and save it. That's it. And check with FBL 5 and once again. Refresh it. Go to the list, refresh it. So there is no any open item selected for this thing. Continue, come back. Yeah, cleared items, you can able to get the cleared items. And all of you do with automatic payment program. See, in our class we discussed with yeah, have done the manual entries, and in your particular system do with automatic payment program. Okay. And tomorrow I will add the SAP FI consultant from Australia, all of you. So she will give you the suggestions. Okay. So this is the way you need to do it, all of you. Scenarios.